multiply negative numbers? Hi friends, Aditya Kamath here. Welcome to my channel Adi Advik Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about a unique topic: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. I think you have learned about these operators applied on whole numbers and natural numbers. Do you know they can also be applied on integers? What? Negative numbers? Can we use operators to negative numbers? Yeah, it's true. Today we are going to learn about that. Operators. You know about operators, right? If you do not know, let me tell you in brief. What are the operators? Operators are addition like plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign and division sign. Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. These are the operations we can do on whole numbers and natural numbers, right? Like that, we can also do these operations on integers. We can add integers, subtract integers, multiply integers and divide integers. And they are almost the same, except there is a twist. It is a very big twist and we are going to learn it. Now, let's go through them one by one. Addition. Let's add integers. Let's take simple numbers like positive integers and 0. 0 plus 100 is 100. 100 plus 190 is 290. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Same. These are very easy. You know, I think you have learnt about it. And these are whole numbers and natural numbers. 0 and is the 0 included to natural numbers is whole numbers. You know it. What about negative numbers? Let's learn how to add negative numbers. Negative numbers are added like minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. Same, right? It's added like the same, just include the minus sign. Minus 2 plus minus 10 minus 12. Addition is the same. There is no difference in adding these numbers. You should just add an minus sign. It's the same. In subtraction, let's go through subtraction now. In subtraction, there is a small twist. Whole numbers 0 minus 1, you can't do it. But in integers, you can do it. Like 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 is like minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. There is a small twist. You can, if you subtract two negative numbers, minus 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2 minus 2. It is 0. I forgot a thing in addition, right? In addition, if you add negative number and positive number, it is like minus 2 plus 2, which is greater. Both are equal, right? So it is 0 and there is no sign. If minus 3 and 2 you add it, you will get you should subtract it and the answer is minus 1. It's not 1 because minus 3 is greater than 2. The 3 is greater than 2 here, like that. And the greater sign will be included in the sum. And they will subtract each other, like minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 100 plus 101 is plus 1. So simple, right? Subtraction. Let's continue using subtraction. Let's subtract -3 minus 2. Both are negative. Minus 2 gets cancelled and becomes +2, so it is -1. It's like confusing, right? Very tricky. But as you practice it, it will be very easy for you. For now, you can do it like, if let's remove the first part doesn't care. You take the second part, like here I have -2 and -2, and you should, if there are two minus in the last part, here -2 is there, right? This -2, this -2 you should take, -2, and you should see if there are two minus, you cut it and make it plus, and then you take it to the total, -3 plus 2. Let's take another example. There is minus plus 2. Minus plus is minus. I will teach you in multiplication how to take signs. Minus plus is minus. Plus minus also is minus. So these two are the same. You can take it as -2 only, not +2. And at last, let's take the third example. 2 plus. In addition, it is addition. It will be addition. Plus 2 is +2 only. Same signs is same sign only. But 2 minus is plus. 2 plus is also plus. 1 minus 1 plus is minus. That's it. So easy, right? Little tricky. As you practice, you may get it right. Let's go through the next topic. Let's go through multiplication and division. Multiplication. Oh, this one is a tricky one. Multiplication and division. They are almost a kind of same. Addition and subtraction are kind of same, and division and multiplication are kind of same, but there are differences, normal differences, as you know. You should divide instead of multiplying like that. There are they are common almost. Just there are differences due to negative signs. Negative, like minus sign. Let's go through multiplication. It's a very tricky one. How do I explain it to you? Yeah. Let's take an example. Bad is negative. Let's take bad as negative and good as positive. Let's think positive. A good person is ruling a kingdom. It is positive. Positive. For a good person, good is happening. He is ruling a kingdom, which is good for him. Which is positive sign into positive sign, and good, if something happens good to someone good, it is very good, very nice, right? Plus 2, if you multiply two positive integers, the product is positive. Now a person is planning something bad. Another kingdom's ruler is planning something bad to take the kingdom. He took it by some method. Some method. So he lost his kingdom. The good person lost his kingdom. Something bad has happened to something good. Someone good. He's a good person, right? But he lost his kingdom. So it is very bad. Very bad. The outcome is very bad. The person's kingdom he has lost. A good person has lost his kingdom. It's very bad. Positive sign into negative sign is negative. The other person, the bad person, is got something good as he gained another kingdom in his control. something good has happened to someone bad. It is bad, right? The outcome is really bad. Negative into positive is negative. The outcome is negative, very bad. Let's take the next phrase of the as he controlled the kingdom, the people did not like him. He did injustice to people. The people of that city didn't like him. So they pushed him out of the city as an army and brought the same king, the good king before, to the kingdom. They brought him, like they made him king again. Something good, bad has happened to someone bad. Like the bad person lost a kingdom. Something bad has happened to bad. The outcome is good, right? If something bad happens to someone bad, the outcome is great, good. So we can take it like minus into minus the outcome is plus. The product is plus. These are the examples, as I said. What an easy way, but it may be tricky, but you can take it like this. Now let's leave the story and come back to our studio. Let's go. Let's take in let's assume why it is like that. You take minus 2. Let's take some examples. Minus 2 into 2. Minus into plus. Minus. It is like minus 4. You should do it like 2 into 2. You can multiply the whole number. The negative signs also you multiply, like minus into plus is minus. Plus into minus is also minus. Plus into plus or minus into minus is plus, like that. Done. And whole number you can multiply. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. These are the examples. Very good. We have learnt. Like you can take this example in the school and think about it. Like if someone asks you my negative into negative, you can say it as positive, or you can say it like positive into positive is positive. They also know. If they ask negative into positive, you can say it like the outcome is negative. You can say like that if someone asks you. That's it, guys. Multiplication and division is like that, the same. You should use these signs. The story which I used, see these all outcomes. You can use this story to get to know, to remember what are the signs, because it's very tricky. Minus into minus, you will think it will be minus, but it's plus, like that. Multiplication and division of whole numbers, you know, right? You can use division and multiplication the same, multiply or divide the whole numbers, and use this for signs, multiplication like or division. So if you multiply or divide signs, these are the outcomes you can see here. Very good outcomes. You can take it like a bad person or a good person and their kingdoms. A story like that. It will be easy for you to learn. And you should divide or multiply the whole numbers according to which operation you are doing. That's it, guys. Only this much? Yeah. Multiplication and division is small. Even subtraction and addition is small. This much only. Yeah, it is correct. We have completed our topic. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So easy, right? You can remember this story, and also you can tell it to your classmates so they can learn something, like they can also remember. And you can also share this video so that your friends get to know that how this story is. You can, by this story they can memorize what signs. That's it. It's very easy. We have almost come to the end of the video. Let me take a division fast example. Let's take 6 by minus 2. It is minus 3 because addition, the positive sign divided by negative sign is negative. 6 by minus 2 is minus 3. You can do it like that. And addition and subtraction are also almost the same. I had explained you before. Let's take a quick example of it. 3 plus minus 2 is plus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. The greater sign persists. Don't get confused between addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. The greater sign persists, like 3 plus 3 plus minus 2. The greater sign is the greater is 3, right? So plus, and you should divide, subtract these two if negative numbers come. Very simple, right? We have completed our example and almost our session. Let's continue. Do you know the greatest negative number is minus 1? What? Yeah, it's true. But the smallest negative number is infinite, minus infinite. You can learn more about integers by clicking right here. Let's go. Integers are like almost everywhere. You should find negative numbers where they are used. They are used only in some places. You should find it and you can provide your answers in the comment section. This is the end of the session, guys. Like the video if you only like it. Subscribe to this channel to not miss any updates, future updates and videos like this. And share this video to others so that they can get to know about negative numbers. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the next video down here. You can watch it. Bye guys. See you later in my next video.